My name is Michelle Herman, and I am your moderator yet again today for one of our exciting sessions. For those of you who are new to Hayako, we are a video-first platform for bite-sized learning for the credit and collections order-to-cash professionals. And we have been around for about a year and a half, and we've essentially been focusing on, I guess what you'd say the hard skills, right, is credit, collections, deductions, all those things that are important to getting the job done in our industry. And we've had a lot of requests for, which I hate this term, soft skills, right? Because frankly, I think the soft skills, which are things that we're going to talk about today, negotiation, compassion, persuasion, collaboration, creativity, frankly, these are a lot harder to learn, I think, than some of the hard skills that there's a lot of training there's a lot of resources to get there. But the importance of soft skills in today's workplace and our world has probably never been more important than it is right now. So we are incredibly thrilled to have John Boyens on our call today. And John is really, I have to highly recommend John. He is an incredible resource for us. He actually knows the credit and collections world incredibly well. He started working for the NACM out in Southern California, the CMA, actually selling commercial credit reports, working with industry groups, actually talking to credit and collection managers. So he absolutely knows the job. And he ended up working for Experian TRW, ran the entire sales team, and is really very much immersed in what your challenges are day to day, what the job looks like. But also he's a master at sales and strategy and negotiation. And so we are thrilled to have him today to share his knowledge with us. And he's going to be doing another session tomorrow, I think at noon Central, about dealing with generational differences in the workplace. It's a great session, and I highly encourage everyone to sign up for it. Again, register if you can't make it live. I'll encourage you to watch it later on. But I think this is going to be a really good session. We encourage you to pop in, raise your hand, ask some questions, put notes in the chat. John is a phenomenal resource that I think you all are going to enjoy. And I'm going to kick this off by actually saying I happened to run across an article. I don't know who the source is for this, but literally the quote that I read was 89% of hire failures are due to lack of soft skills. 89%. So that just tells you how important it is, not only in the hiring process, but onboarding people and career growth, et cetera. So this is, I think this is a topic that we could probably do a multitude of sessions on, and hopefully we will be doing that into 2022. So with that, I'm going to pass it on to John and take it away.
Michelle, thank you so much, and welcome everybody. Thank you for investing in your professional development with us. You know, Michelle said it early, you know, she made the comment that people use the term soft skills, and it really doesn't represent what that means. I mean, you know, if you think about the world that we're in today, maybe we should use the term interpersonal skills, or maybe we should use the term people skills, because employers today believe you're going to have the functional or the tactical ability to do the job. They believe that. But what separates the overachievers and the promotable from the others is their ability to leverage the soft skills. So as you kind of get into the content that we're going to be creating today, what do you think is the most important soft skill for a credit and collection professional today? And as you're putting your answers in the chats, let's talk a little bit about job description to kind of set that up. If you Googled the term credit and collections manager job description, or credit manager job description, collections manager job description, what would be some things that would come up? For a credit manager, it would be to develop credit policies and procedures, to do credit evaluations, to do risk assessments, you know, to comply with reporting requirements, to set terms and credit limits, et cetera, right? Credit manager has their specific job requirements. Collections manager, well, they need to develop the collections, you know, policies. They've got to negotiate with customers, reduce bad debt, you know, reduce the number of write-offs, improve cash flow, improve debt recovery, et cetera. So we know what the job description says, and we understand what those functional responsibilities are, but do we really understand the soft skills behind that?